Hello everyone, my name is Ben. I'm going to show you how to change the themes and branding of your Salesforce org. So as you can see here, this is just a regular sales app. Looks standard, just like all of them look by default. If you'd like to change it and make it more customized for your organization, we'll come over here in the top right and click Setup. And click Setup again. In our quick find box, we're going to type in themes, on themes and branding. And here you can see the different Salesforce made themes available. So these are ones that Salesforce has made, and you can preview these if you come over here on the right and click the drop down arrow. And let's preview the Cody Canyon. Okay, so you can see it's kind of more orange looking. And you can do this with all of these if you want and preview them. But let's end the preview. Let's say we want to make our own theme according to the organization. And we'll come over here and click New Theme in the top right. And since I love sushi, I'm going to name it Sushi. Tab through to the API. And I'm going to put something very controversial here. Sushi is better than cheeseburgers. I may or may not actually believe that, but just for fun. The brand image, this is what is displayed in the top right here, kind of like a logo. You can click on here, and this pulls you to your computer. I'm going to upload this file right here, and I'm going to position it so it has just these sushi letters right here. Okay, so that's uploading, and this brand color is the main color that's going to be on your organization. So I'm going to come over here, pick kind of this red color here. All right. I'm going to click this, use brand image on Lightning Experience loading page. So you'll see when I refresh the home page in a sec, you'll see this sushi logo flash right here in the middle. Page background, I'm going to click over here, this gray color. Global header, I'll leave that white. And you can customize this further, add a background image, a default group banner, things like that. Just for the purposes of this video, I'll just save this one. Okay, so sushi was saved. And then I'm going to activate it. And all right, so you can see up here that our logo is showing up there. It's red. And if I come over here and refresh my home page, bingo, we got the gray background, this red color here, got my sushi brand right there, and that looks awesome.